Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled among rolling hills, lived a kind merchant named Maurice and his 3 daughters. The eldest, Belle, dreamt of grand adventures, while the middle daughter, Celeste, obsessed over riches and finery. But the youngest, Beauty, possessed a different kind of beauty. A gentle spirit and a love for simple things like tending her garden and getting lost in stories. One harsh winter, Maurice's business hit a rough patch. Desperate to provide for his family, he ventured out on a journey filled with snow and treacherous winds. Lost and shivering, he stumbled upon a majestic castle hidden in the mist. Mesmerized by its beauty, he entered, unaware of the watchful eyes observing him. A magnificent rose, as red as love and as vibrant as spring, bloomed in the castle's heart. Filled with love for his daughters, Maurice plucked the rose, unaware it belonged to the castle's mysterious owner, a fearsome beast whose heart was as cold as the winter wind. Suddenly, the ground trembled. A terrifying creature emerged, its roars echoing through the halls. Terrified, Maurice begged for forgiveness, offering anything in return for his life. The beast, intrigued by Maurice's honesty, made a chilling proposition. He would be free, but only if one of his daughters chose to stay in his place forever. Back home, Maurice recounted his harrowing ordeal, tears streaming down his face. Beauty, her heart filled with courage and a sense of destiny, couldn't bear to see her father suffer. Ignoring her sister's scoffs, she volunteered to go to the castle, leaving her family heartbroken yet filled with admiration. Arriving at the imposing castle, she was ushered into a room adorned with riches and served delicious meals by unseen servants. Yet fear gnawed at her heart. Every night, a booming voice echoed through the halls asking, "Will you marry me?" Each time, Beauty, terrified by the beast's monstrous form, gently refused. But the beast, though heartbroken, respected her choice. Days turned into weeks, and as Beauty explored the castle, she discovered a library filled with wondrous stories, a magical mirror that could show her anything she desired, and even a secret garden bursting with life. Using the mirror, she saw her family back home, their faces etched with worry. Touched by their love, Beauty realized her feelings for the beast were changing.
He wasn't the fearsome creature she imagined, but a lonely being trapped in a monstrous shell. They began to share evenings, their conversations ranging from books to the world outside to their hidden dreams. Beauty began to see the kind and gentle soul beneath the fearsome exterior. One day, the mirror showed her father falling ill. The beast, sensing her despair, offered her a chance to return home. One condition: she had to promise to return within a week. Filled with gratitude, Beauty raced back to her family, vowing to return on time. However, amidst the warmth of her family, a heavy guilt weighed on her heart. She couldn't leave the beast alone, not after their shared moments and newfound understanding. With a heavy heart, she bid her family farewell and rushed back to the castle. But she was too late. She found the beast near death, weakened by loneliness and heartbreak. Tears streaming down her face, she confessed her love, saying, "You may not be a prince, but you have a kind and gentle heart, and that is more precious than any crown." In a flash of light, the curse was broken. The beast transformed into a handsome prince, the magic finally lifted. Overjoyed, Beauty realized the prince she had come to love had always been there, hidden beneath the monstrous facade. Their love story blossomed, proving that true beauty lies not in outward appearances, but in the kindness and understanding found within. Together they ruled their kingdom with compassion and fairness, forever cherishing the love that had broken the curse and set them free.